Hi there fellow WordPress developers. I just wanted to do a quick video of something that I have come across. I came across it a while ago, and something that's really easy to fix but it might frustrate you. So as you can see on my local install here, I'm just running some WordPress updates on a lot of the sites that we run, and I've clicked the update button locally for grabbing the latest version of WordPress, which in this case is version 5.5.1, and you can see I've got this error message. So it says, okay, the server encountered an error. Usually what happens is that the request to grab this download from downloads.wordpress.org has failed for whatever reason. It might be too busy or whatever the reason might be. Now, the problem with this is if I go back to my updates page, and you think, well, what I'll do is I'll just try this again, because obviously I just need to get it working. So I click update, and what it comes up with is a message that says, oh, hang on a minute, there's another update in progress, which was obviously the one I originally started. So to get rid of this, if you go into your database, so here is my database for this site, and I'm in the options table of this site. This is a multi-site, so I'm actually in the main website, if you like. And you'll find that there's an entry here called core updater lock. It has a timestamp, which is when the lock ends. So this is to stop multiple updates happening like every second or every minute or whatever. So I think it's 15 minutes it locks it for, so you can't update again. So all you need to do is just delete that, like so. And then if you go back to your WordPress site that you want to update and try that again, and it should try the update. Obviously it might fail again, but it should try doing the update. So I'm going to hit update on that one again, and then hopefully it's going to run through that. So obviously I've not got the message that says another update is in progress, because that lock entry in the database has been removed, so that it clears the path for WordPress to go and try the update again. So that's just a little tip for you if you ever get that and it's frustrating because you're waiting and waiting to do the update. If you go in and look at the core updater lock entry in the options table, and there you go, you can see it's completed now. Success, we've updated to 5.5.1, which I very much recommend that you all do, and hopefully that is a little tip that will help you out.